Alam mo ba na pwede ka nang kumuha ng St. Peter Life Plan online? Lalo-lalo na sa mga may trust issues dyan na takot ipadaan sa agent ang payment nila. Pero bago ka mag-sign up, kumpletuhin mo muna ang mga requirements. A photo of valid ID, photo of 3 specimen signature, active email address and cellphone number, at pakiready na rin ang listang beneficiaries mo with their names, date of birth, and address. Kapag okay ng lahat, pumunta lang sa online.stpeter.com.ph. Make sure to create an account first bago mag-proceed sa pagbili ng product. Kapag naka-login na, go to Our Products at lilitaw na ang mga pagpipilian na plan types. Once decided, i-click ang Buy Now at mag-a-appear ang plan features and benefits nito. Pwede rin ninyong i-modify ang quantity at mode of payment. I-click ang box ng I have read and understood the benefits and features of the plan, then click Add to Cart. I-review muna ang details and if everything is fine, proceed to check out. Next, fill out the application form na mag-a-appear sa screen. Make sure na mafi-fill upan mo lahat ng may red asterisk pati na rin ang beneficiary details. Upload the photo of your valid ID and photo of 3 specimen signature. After uploading, huwag rin kalimutan ang confirmation code ng iyong pinagkakatiwalaang agent. At pwede ka nang mag-proceed sa payments. Pwede dito ang credit cards, debit cards, GCash, at iba pa. Pumili lang ng mode of payment and once successful, pwede mong i-screenshot ang reference number. And congrats! You are now one of St. Peter Life Plan plan holder. So ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Get your St. Peter Life Plan now! Naway bawat pamilya may St. Peter Life Plan.